We are pleased to show you the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2-trip odometer, compass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.